How you going, guys? DIY washing machine door handle replacement. This is for the Bosch WAS24460AU version. I've already taken it off the washing machine. Quite simple to do. 2 screws holding them in there. They're the special hexagonal type screws, so you need obviously a proper drill bit, hexagonal screw bit for your drill. Take them off the washing machine, and next undo all these quickly here. All 11 of them. Okay. Carefully remove the plastic. The handle that holds it on will just pop out if you're not careful, so just leave that there. As you can see, this one's actually broken, well and truly. This is the part that breaks on them, this small part here, sorry about my grotty fingers, which is in the new handle, this part here. What that does is actuate the door safety mechanism here to open it. So if that little part there is broken, you won't be able to open your door, and you'll have to use a bit of ingenuity to open it up. Okay, let's see where we're at here, shall we? Okay, so once you're ready to place it back together, you just simply slot the new handle in, just lift it up a bit, get it so that it fits. It only really fits in one way. Before putting the cover back on, you'll see in the bowl here you've got a couple of grooves cut out around the edges. Okay, what they need to do is line up with these grooves in here, which are a bit hard to see, so what I'm going to do is just mark them so that I can see them easily. Because this is a push down once only job, this one here, and that's just about lined them up. Like so, like so. Now to get this handle down, just need to lift the unit up slightly so that it clicks into place. With the handle mechanism inside, it's a little bit fiddly. Okay, like so, just needs to be pushed in. One way fits only. If you're finding you're having trouble, try and put the handle lower than the rest of the unit. I'm having trouble matching my glass up. And that one's down there. If this glass bowl isn't exact, it will not go in. There's a little tip for you, everybody. Okay. I think that's pretty good. So you saw I had a bit of trouble with it, so yeah, expect to have a little bit of trouble if it's not lined up properly. I'll whiz these couple of screws back in. Don't put them all in, just put a couple in first. And then we'll check it and make sure everything's lined up as it should be. That should hold what we need to hold, so flip them over, just check the bowl, give it a bit of wiggle around, yep. Check the handle operation, that looks pretty good. Make sure the hinge is on properly, looks pretty good. Was in the last of the screws. Give them all a tighten up. Okay, I like to do the last couple by hand, just so I have a better feel as to how tight they are. The handle ones should be reasonably tight, so they do tend to come loose. And also the hinge, make that nice and tight. Okay. Lovely, so there you have it. I've taken the liberty of giving it a quick clean. I won't bore you anymore. Hinge is on, handle nice and operational there. All cleaned up, ready to put back on the washing machine. Which is great. I can clean my jocks now, get some clean jocks going. No worries, hope this has been helpful for you guys. As I said, this is for the Bosch 24460AU. Hey, they're all the same. All the models, they all function the same, they're just different sizes, etc. So it should be the same for yours if you're tackling this problem yourself. Save yourself a couple of $100. Thanks guys for looking, and have a great day. Bye for now.